tough, I'm gonna ask you for your help. So holla, I got your back. See, it's easy to forget sometimes that our lives are so intertwined. What good is a teacher with no students to teach? Nothing. And remember, politicians, it's for us, it's supposed to speak. Say something. It might sound cheesy, but it's gotta be said. One for all and all for one. I'm telling you, we can't go. Holla, 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 I got your back. I got your back, whoa. Holla, 'cause together I know we'll stand. Start by loving yourself and spread it to someone else. And when it gets a little tough, I'm gonna ask you for your help. So holla, I got your back.
So girl, you don't need to worry, I got your back, so come lean on me, holla. Jokes will be there in a hurry, you ain't gotta do it alone. I'm right here, mommy, it's gonna be much better. I ain't trying to be funny. Times you need, will you be there for me? I'm here for you. It's true, just call me. I beg you, please don't ignore me. Each one is the moral of the story. Would you nurse me if I was poorly? Take the stand and lie to the jury. Right with me, on the quest to the glory. Act like you ain't got time for me. I'm my badness, you can't act this, cause I'm always in one bag of madness. Fact is, I got your back, that's standing.